like a comic frame. Streetlights flicker, nothing's the same. Every turn bends left and right. Ink drip shadows swallow the night. Run, hunter, run, don't look back. Whiskers snapping on the attack. Paper grin and a horror smile, but you're faster by a mile. Run, hunter, run, hear that laugh like a broken cartoon soundtrack. One more turn, one final leap. You're gonna make it, hold it deep. Through the park where the swings still creak, cartoon cat goes squeak, squeak, squeak. Puddles ripple like painted glue. Whirlwind's wrong, but hunter's true. Breathing hard, hard like a drum. Cat calls out, here I come. But the river roars ahead in black, spinning water, no turning back. Wind howls loud like a torn up page. Hunter steps up, not afraid. Cat lunges long with a stretchy swipe, but missteps once. Wrong timing, right. Run, hunter, run, jump that rail. Destiny flips like a paper tail. Cartoon claws missed by a thread. Victory pounding in your head. Run, hunter, run, hear the splash. Laughter snaps into a crash. Round and round the river sings. Something's caught in spinning rings. Whirlpool pulls with a swirling roar. Ink black water forevermore. Cartoon cat spins, grin fades flat. Uh-oh, says the cartoon cat. Down he twirls with a rubbery yelp. No escape, no one to help. Pages close with a final spin. That chapter ends. Hunter wins. Run, hunter, run, now slow it down. Sunrise paints the sleepy town. Breathing free, the night is gone. You outran fear till the dawn. Run, hunter, run, story told. Brave and fast and always bold. Cartoon cat's just a myth you beat, and hunter walks away unsteady. Drip drop ink fades out of sight. Morning hums, the world feels right. From the chase to the getaway, HunterDean